Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making beef fry, which is called Tala Gosht, and I'm taking 3 pounds of beef washed and putting in the pressure cooker, 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of haldi powder. Mix it well. Add half a glass of water. Mix it a little and put the lid on and start the pressure cooker for about 15 minutes. Here my beef is ready. It's soft, and I'm gonna transfer this to a different bigger pan. Here there is some water in the beef. Here let the water evaporate and the stove should be on the high. Here the water is evaporated, so I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of oil. Here I'm making some space in the middle to add chopped garlic and some green chilies. Here I'm adding chopped curry leaves and stir it well. Now here you can combine everything together and mix it. Here I'm adding half a teaspoon of red chili powder and mix it well. Here the beef is ready, so I'm adding chopped cilantro on top. Add couple drops of lemon juice to it. Add sliced onion on top. Here the beef is ready. Hope you enjoy my video. Please subscribe, like and comment. See you in the next video. Thank you.